In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your opt-in rates. It is actually extremely important for you guys to capture people's emails if you have your own product, your own service, especially if you're doing affiliate marketing. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can increase your opt-in rates. Okay, right now, okay, I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing because that's basically what I do. Okay, so chances are that right now you have a product or service that you are going to be promoting. Um, Everybody is looking for products on ClickBank, JVSU, Wire Plus, Commission Junction, and all this stuff. Okay, so what we're going to be doing, it's that we're going to be capturing those, people's name and email. But what people are doing wrong is that they don't know this, okay, that they need to give something away for free, okay? If you want to increase your opt-in and you are right now like, hey, yes, please give me your name and email and you're going to be enrolled on my newsletter. Yeah, you're going to be getting a couple of signups here and there, but not something that is going to be, significant. So we're going to be giving something away for free. This can be an ebook. This can be a checklist. This can be a cheat sheet. This can be access to a webinar. Different things that you can actually imagine. Okay. So that's what we're going to be doing. So here on, for example, on ClickBank, I'm going to be talking about this product, which is the TED Woodworking. Okay. This is a product that I have promoted in the past. This is not the only one, but as you can see, it has affiliate tools. Okay. Here in this case, TED Woodworking, okay, it's a product that has been around for a really long time. And they give you all the necessary tools, plus the fact that it's either a funnel. Okay, so that means that you're going to be earning money from the main offer. They have a downsell. They have a couple of upsells and downsell here. And they have a membership area, the recurring income, okay? So they're also giving people, in this case, you as an affiliate, the opportunity to have access to 440-page woodworking guides and plans that you can give away for free to your audience, okay? You're going to have the opportunity to download it here, and you can let them know, like, hey, if you're really serious, okay, I have this option so you can start doing woodworking with learning all the plans and all the stuff with TED Woodworking. Okay, I know this is actually amazing because they are giving you everything. Okay, and you're going to be doing something like this. Okay, we're going to be doing what we call a bridge page. Okay, this can be a video. This can also be some text. And here is um, a button that's going to be actually a call to action. And here you're going to have the link to the page, okay, with your affiliate link. So you're going to be creating these two pages. Why we are doing this and we're not delivering the ebook here right away? Because if they are ready to make a purchase, they have a really strong commitment, okay, they can grab it right away. That's the reason why we're doing this. This is called a bridge page. I'm going to put it here, which is actually a bridge page, okay? Okay, in this case, TED Woodworking, again, it's a product that has been around for a really long time. They're giving you guys everything, but this is not the case with all the products, okay? Sometimes there might be a product that you really like, you really enjoy, maybe you purchase it, but they are not giving you a, a lead magnet. This is what we call, okay? Something free, which is called a lead magnet. So how you can solve this, okay? You can go and you can use ChatGPT. In this case, I put it here and I told ChatGPT, hey, please, I need you to write a 5-page ebook on tips to rebuild guns and teeth. Okay. So it gave me some ideas with different chapters. Okay. And I can actually use this to create my ebook. If you want to have a more in-depth ebook, you can ask ChatGPT like, hey, give me more information on what is actually on this paragraph. And or please elaborate. And ChatGPT is going to do it. Okay. And with Canva, okay, with Canva, you can type literally ebook and it's going to give you templates with mockups that literally you need to choose the one that you like and you are going to be structuring it. Okay. You can click here and you are going to have more options. Okay. That is the reason why we're giving this away, because if I told you like, hey, if you want to get more updates, click the link below and, type in your name, email address. Yeah, there are going to be people who are actually going to be doing that. By the way, guys, if you want to learn what's my number one recommendation to make money online, I'm going to be leaving a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description. Okay. Now, we already know, or we already have, the ebook, and we can structure it. Okay. So literally, I have the template here, and the only thing that I need to get done is that I need to put my text. Okay. If you want to change the colors and all the stuff, you can do it. If you need some images, that's something really, really cool about Canva, is that they do have tons of templates, tons of images, tons of elements that you can actually use. Okay, so you don't need to find this in any other place. Literally, you have everything here. Okay, and you're going to place it on the last page of the book. My suggestion is to have another call to action. Again, if people are really serious about taking action, okay, put your recommendation so they can actually go ahead and purchase it. How you're going to build this? Well, I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can use a software that is called System.io. You can create your free account by using the link below. And here on System.io, you're going to have different capture pages. Okay. Some are really elaborate. Others are not that elaborate. I prefer something simple like this one. Okay. The reason why, because I don't like to have any instructions. Maybe the only thing that I'm going to be deleting is this here. Okay. Here I have another one that it's, eye catchy and all this stuff. And you can let them know like, hey, again, you can receive a video training, a webinar. If the product is going to be doing um present on a webinar, you can let them know like, hey, I'm going to give you access to this webinar. I can give you access to my cheat sheet. I can give you access to a video series. I can give you access to all stuff. Okay. So this is actually how you guys can do this. Okay. You don't need to create something super fancy or super elaborate. And the other cool thing is that you have all the tools that you need here on Canva. So again, if you want to learn more about this, I'm going to be leaving a link below. This is for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.